so in the previous tutorial we uploaded our files in the markdown files as well as CSV files over here, and in this tutorial we will use these files to generate vector embeddings which are used to actually generate a context for your AI agent. Alright, so let's move forward now, and there is a tab over here called vector database. So I will click on this vector database tab and click on the new embeddings over here, and let's give it a name called FoodSprint MD, and click on the type markdown over here and select the folder that we created from the past tutorial. So you can see that it has a split text at field over here, and it has a heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So if you remember from the past tutorial, I told you that this .txt file, by the way, you should change the extension from .txt to .md before uploading the files. And I told you that these are the headings. So this is H1, this is H2, heading 2, this is heading 3. So it is going to split the text at these headings so that it will save the split text into the different files and or the different documents, and it will give you some documents related to your query, and AI will process these documents, and then it will generate the outcome based on the context provided. All right. So let's move on and split the text at heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and heading 4, and click on generate embeddings. So it will take some time to generate the embeddings, so be patient. Alright, so the FoodSprint embeddings are generated now, and let's create another embedding, but now name it as FoodSprint CSV for structured embeddings, and click on the type at CSV and give the folder name FoodSprint CSV. So these are for the structured embeddings over here, and click on the generate embeddings to generate the structured embeddings. Alright, so our embeddings have been created successfully, and now let's move on to create a VFlow. Alright, so VFlow is a drag and drop platform where you can build your own AI chatbot or AI agent. Alright, so I will click on the create VFlow here, and let's name it something called FoodSprint VFlow or FoodSprint AI, and click on the create VFlow. Alright, so you are on this drag and drop platform over here, and you can see that you can drag and drop different nodes and delete them over here. So in this tutorial we have processed some data initially, and from the next tutorial we will create a chatbot from this drag and drop playground. Alright, so I'm really excited and I hope you are also. So let's meet in the next tutorial.